Hello everyone, welcome back to part 2 of building a wooden fort for my twin girls. In this episode we are going to build a bridge. Going to do an 8-foot bridge here, and this will lead to future expansion projects to build all the way down the tree line whenever I scrounge up more materials. But we're going to work on the bridge today, and I really don't have a plan for what I'm going to do here. So we're just going to kind of wing it and see what happens. So let's get started. All right, the building inspector just left. Said I needed a few more handrails, but other than that, it's looking pretty good. Got basically the framework for the bridge done. I need to measure, see what I want to keep here. I'll cut these off. That long 2x6 along the bottom, that'll get cut off. Need to figure out some blocking foundation for the rest of this. So I'm gonna work on this side of the bridge now, and then hopefully we can get some decking and handrails and the rest of that done. All right, just got done eating lunch, let my batteries charge. I got a bunch of stuff measured and cut. I got stuff to start some handrails, and I'm gonna go ahead and put another 2x6 up the middle. Since we got a 7-foot span here, I want to go ahead and make sure that's plenty strong. So I'm gonna run another 2x6 up the middle, and once we get some handrails up, we'll see what we have left. Might do some more bracing at the corners. We'll just have to see what we have left. So let's get started. Well, my drill battery died, so I think that's a sign to call it a day. been at it out here for a little while, but I think we made some good progress. Had just one more these little 1x put up, just decorative bracing. I need one more 4-foot 2x4 to do that, and then other than that, pretty much all the hand railing is done. Pretty much all that I have left is just shorter stuff, shorter 2x. So may eventually just do some extra bracing and just maybe some decorative or detailed stuff. But so that'll conclude part 2. There will be a part 3 sometime. I do want to put a roof on here with some of the tin I got out there, and whenever I scrounge up another trailer load of materials, we'll add on to here. We'll just keep on extending on down the tree line building. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. So we'll see you next time.